Hey, it's Rhett from Maserati Mods. Today we're going to be doing something a little unusual. I'm not going to be reviewing a Maserati Mods part, but instead these vacuums. So let's check them out. All right, here we have on the right the RIDGID Store and Go. This is, I believe, 5.5 horsepower, around 6-gallon tank. This is a tried and true vacuum for car detailers. So this one's been around for quite a while. It's known for having good suction. It's wall mount, as well as you can carry it around with you as far as your cord can reach. And I recently bought this unit. I wasn't happy with the hose length. It's got two hoses, one that I think is 15 feet, and then it has an extension that's more accordion style that can get you a total of about 21 feet or so. But when you stretch out the accordion style, it tends to really pull. So you don't have the unit secured down, it'll tip it over. So I started looking at some alternatives. Came across this SEESII power tools on Amazon. These guys have been around as well, have other shop vacs, although they're mostly known for their battery powered shop vacs. They're a little smaller than this. There really weren't many reviews on this newer version. So I figured I'd give it a shot. One of the things I really liked about it is that it has a longer hose. So we'll talk about that. It's a 30-foot hose. From a spec perspective though, they both have, I think, 5.5 horsepower. Motors are rated around 1100 watts. I think the CFM is actually lower, as stated on the SEESII, than the RIDGID, slightly lower, but in my test, the suction power it goes to the SEESII. I'll show you that. As far as what comes with the units, very similar as far as wall mount. The attachments that you get, they're almost identical, I'd say. There's no difference really. Maybe the RIDGID has a little bit better storage with the plastic unit where you can put your pieces in. It's also got parts where you can connect hoses. The SEESII really doesn't have that. It's got a place to wrap your cord. Maybe you can add some things to the wall mount piece, but they pretty much rely on you using the bag. Comes with a bag, you can throw your accessories in there. It does have a hose mount as well, and pretty similar. The big difference is with some of the functionality. SEESII has this thing I've never seen before. It's a lever here that helps to unplug the hose if it's plugged. So the way this works is if you've got something trapped in the hose, you cover the end of the hose, so you plug it at the very end, and then you push this down 5 times, and it shakes the hose. I guess the idea is it'll shake loose whatever blocking. One of the big differences is the sound between these units. The SEESII is definitely quieter than the RIDGID, and the RIDGID even has this exhaust fan, which is really just a thin piece of foam rubber that it blasts the output to. The SEESII does not have that, but even with the muffler, it does not. It's louder than the SEESII. So I'll show you an example of that. I'm not sure how much the noise cancellation is gonna block that out, but here we go, SEESII. So from my ear, the SEESII is a little bit quieter. The big differences are, like I said, the hose length. So you see I got them both kind of connected here. Got the hoses stretched out. And this is where the RIDGID hose, the main hose, ends. And then you can see it's got this accordion style. This orange hose is it's a RIDGID car kit, so it's not included. So basically you have this accordion style. If you stretch it all the way out, it'll go to 21 feet. Problem is though, when you let go of it, it snaps back. So versus the SEESII, this is the hose. It's a slightly smaller diameter. I think it's closer to 1 1/4, and this would be more than 1 7/8. However, I'll show you this shrinks down as you put the tools in place. It's really not it's not consecutive. It's 1 7/8 throughout the entire hose length, especially when you add the RIDGID car detailing attachments. But let's go back to SEESII. You can see how long this hose goes. 30 feet of hose. And this is where the box ends, the box unit hose ends. I've got an extension on here, Harbor Freight extension. I'll talk a little bit more about that, but this is where it would normally end. How that compares, the rigid hose ends right there, SEESII hose ends here. All right, got both units powered up, so let's go test the section. All right, we'll do a comparison between these two. Extensions on, the diameter is about the same, so they all both come down below 1.25 inches. That's about 1.25 inches, I'd say. We'll compare these now. The SEESII, just the rigid, it won't even hold itself. SEESII, no problem. So no question there. All right, so that's a quick review of these two units. You can see it's clear as day for me that the SEESII has more sucking power. It's quieter. I think the only area where maybe it's not quite as strong would be in the storage for the accessories, but that's about it. And it's got this new function I've never seen about unplugging the hose. The rigid does not have that. I think from a price perspective as well, right now I believe these are going for about 120 bucks on Amazon, maybe a little under that. The rigids are similar. They're a little bit more. All right, like I mentioned, I wanted to get the car detailing accessory kit. So I got the rigid kit from Home Depot, and it comes with some really essential tools, I'd say, for car detailing. The long crevice tool that's got some flex to it. It's got the claw tool, and then it's got the pro level 10-foot hose, that orange one that I was showing you earlier. All kind of meets that 1.25 inch spec. Now, I came across the Bauer unit. Our kit was basically the same. It's almost identical, I'd say, as far as the tools. It's got the flex crevice tool as well, the claw and the brushes, and it comes with that 10-foot pro level hose. It's also 1.25 inch. And I'd say the really cool thing is that the Bauer was, I think, $29 compared to the rigid was $54, $55 at Home Depot. So that will be going back. All right, and that's a quick review of these shop vacs used within car detailing type environment. I'm planning to use my vac for around the shop as well. I'm probably going to mount it on the side of the wall here of the garage where I can get access to it, or clean up the workbench, the floors, etc. But then also with that 30 plus another 10 feet, so 40 feet of hose I've got on the SEESII, I can easily vacuum the car as well without having to lift the unit, move it around. Pretty excited about the SEESII. We'll see how it lasts as far as a durability standpoint, but I'll be sticking with that. The Ridge is going to be going back. Hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.